Have you ever turned on your computer and waited forever for it to start? Maybe your storage is always full, programs take ages to open, and everything feels sluggish. The frustrating part? Most people think they need a brand new PC. But what if I told you there's a simple tool that can help clean, optimize, and speed up your Windows computer in just a few clicks? Today we're taking a look at AWZ PC Cleaner and exploring how it can help remove junk files, free up storage, boost startup speed, and make your PC run smoother than ever. Stay until the end because I'll show you the features that impressed me the most. First, open your browser and visit the official awzware.com. Once you're on the home page, navigate to the AWZ PC Cleaner section and click the download button. The installation file will start downloading automatically. After installing AWZ PC Cleaner, you'll be greeted with a clean and easy-to-use dashboard packed with powerful optimization tools. Right on the main screen, you'll see features like Full Scan, Deep Cleanup, Defragment, Large File Mover, App Migration, Duplicate File Finder, Files Mover, Junk Cleanup, PC Booster, Icon Cleanup, System Optimizer, and App Uninstaller. In this video, we're going to test every single feature and see how useful they actually are. Let's start with the most important one, Full Scan. When you click on Full Scan, AWZ PC Cleaner performs a comprehensive analysis of your system. It automatically checks Deep Cleanup, Duplicate Files, Large File Mover, and App Migration all at once. Simply click the Scan Now button, and the software will scan your computer, identify unnecessary files, and show you exactly how much space each category is consuming. This gives you a clear picture of what's taking up storage on your PC. Now, if you don't want a complete scan, you can use each tool individually. The second option is Deep Cleanup. This feature focuses specifically on finding files that can be safely removed to free up valuable storage space. Just click Quick Scan, and AWZ will search for temporary files, cache files, and other unnecessary data that may be slowing down your computer. Next, let's check out Defragment. This tool analyzes your drives and shows information such as fragmented files, total fragments, and fragmentation rates. By organizing scattered file data, defragmentation can help improve disk performance and make file access more efficient. Moving on to Large File Mover. One of the biggest reasons people run out of storage is because large files are hidden across different folders. With a single quick scan, AWZ identifies large files across all your drives and displays them in one place. You can then easily move those files to another drive or storage location to instantly free up space without deleting anything important. Next up is App Migration. This is especially useful if your system drive is running low on space. Instead of uninstalling and reinstalling applications manually, AWZ allows you to migrate supported applications to another drive with just a few clicks, saving both time and effort. Now let's look at Duplicate File Finder. Duplicate files can quietly consume gigabytes of storage without you even realizing it. After clicking Quick Scan, the software categorizes duplicate files into documents, photos, videos, audio files, and archives. You can review the results manually and safely remove unnecessary duplicates while keeping the original files intact. The next feature is Files Mover. This tool helps you organize and relocate files based on categories such as documents, downloads, pictures, videos, and favorites. Simply scan, select the files you want to move, choose a destination, and AWZ handles the rest for you. Now let's move to Junk Cleanup. After clicking Quick Scan, the software searches for various types of junk data, including system junk, registry junk, application junk, and malware-related junk files. Once the scan is complete, you can review the results and manually choose what you want to delete to reclaim valuable disk space. The next tool is PC Booster. If your computer takes a long time to start up, this feature could be extremely helpful. PC Booster scans startup programs, system performance settings, and speed optimization opportunities. It identifies programs that launch automatically when Windows starts, allowing you to disable unnecessary startup items and improve boot times. Now let's check out Icon Cleanup. Over time, Windows can accumulate unused desktop icons and system shortcut icons that create clutter. With a quick scan, AWZ identifies unused icons and allows you to remove them, helping keep your desktop clean and organized. The second last feature is System Optimizer. Think of this as a one-click Windows maintenance tool. After scanning, it checks for common Windows issues such as Windows Update problems, boot issues, shortcut arrow settings, UAC shield icons, missing icons, and other system optimization opportunities. You can then manually apply the fixes you want. Finally, we have App Uninstaller. This tool scans all installed applications on your computer and helps you remove programs you no longer use. What's even better is that it supports batch uninstall, allowing you to remove multiple applications at once instead of uninstalling them one by one. Overall, AWZ PC Cleaner combines a wide range of cleanup, optimization, and storage management tools into a single application. Whether you're trying to free up storage, speed up your PC, remove duplicate files, or optimize Windows performance,